Hello and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, the cozy corner where sustainability meets simplicity. Today, we're digging into something you've probably seen all over the internet: regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. It sounds like garden magic. You chop your veggies, save the ends, pop them in water or soil, and boom, free food. But how much of it is actually true? Let's explore what really works, what kind of results you can expect, and what you should skip. Let's start with green onions. These are one of the easiest and most rewarding veggies to regrow. When you use green onions, leave about 2 to 3 inches of the white bulb with the roots attached. Place the bulbs root side down in a glass of water near a sunny window. Within days, you'll see green shoots reappear. Just change the water every couple of days, and you'll have fresh scallions in no time. This one truly works. Next up, lettuce and celery. Can you regrow them? Technically, yes. If you take the base of a romaine lettuce or celery bunch and place it in a shallow bowl of water, you'll notice new leaves sprouting from the center. But here's the catch. These won't grow into full heads. You'll get a small cluster of tender leaves, perfect for garnish or small salads, but don't expect a grocery-sized bunch. Still, it's a fun, quick win for your windowsill garden. Now let's talk about garlic. Garlic cloves can be planted in soil and will eventually grow into a new bulb, but not overnight. This one takes months and usually needs to go through cold stratification. However, the garlic greens you'll get in just a couple of weeks are edible and taste like garlicky scallions. So yes, garlic scraps are regrowable, but patience is key. What about carrots? Here's a common myth. You can't grow new carrots from carrot tops. Sorry friends, what you'll get is beautiful ferny greens, but no edible root underneath. These greens can be used for pesto or garnish, but you won't get a new carrot out of it. Still not a bad deal for what was headed to the compost bin. And potatoes? You've probably seen those sprouted potatoes lurking in your pantry. Good news. You can cut them into chunks, making sure each piece has at least one eye, and plant them in soil. With enough sunlight and water, they will grow into full potato plants. This one definitely works, but you'll need space and, again, a little patience. As for onions, they can regrow from scraps too. If you save the bottom inch with the root disc, it can grow into a new onion plant. The bulb won't be instant, but the green shoots are edible, and over time you may develop a whole new bulb with proper care. So, here's the truth. Regrowing veggies from scraps is real, but results vary. Some give you quick greens, others take months. It's not a substitute for full-on gardening, but it's an excellent way to reduce food waste, have fun, and add greenery to your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that little bell so you don't miss more garden wisdom from Gentle Herb Living. Have you tried regrowing anything on your windowsill? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sustainable, and keep it growing.